Lawn mower. It is a tool that has transformed our lawns and gardens. It has a fascinating history of its origin. Since the time man learned to live in settlements, he had been tending the wild grasses growing around him. But the tools that he had were very limited for a very long time, and they looked something like this and this. However, in the early 19th century, in a place called Stroud, Gloucestershire, England, a man named Edwin Beard Budding invented the first push mower, drawing his inspiration from machines used in trimming the naps of carpets. Budding introduced the first mechanical lawn mower in 1830, and it changed the way we mowed our lawns forever. Budding's mower featured a series of blades arranged around a cylinder which rotated as the mower was pushed forward. This design laid the foundation for modern lawn mowers and is used even today. Then in 1850s, Thomas Green and Son introduced the chain-driven lawn mower. This innovation made the mower quieter and more efficient, and therefore they called them silence mower, meaning silent cutter. It used a chain drive to transmit power from the rear roller to the cutting cylinder. But eventually, it was the power of a man behind the mower. Finally, in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, came motorized lawn mowers. In 1890, the first engine-powered mowers were introduced, featuring lightweight steam and petrol engines. With the introduction of zero-turn mower in 1955, we achieved greater maneuverability. The evolution is still continuing for achieving efficiency, precision, and quietness. And the future of lawn mowing looks even more quieter and effortless as the robotic mowers have already begun to move to the field from their foundries. From Edwin Budding's first mechanical mower to today's high-tech futuristic models, reflecting advancements in technology and our growing emphasis on sustainability, the lawn mower has come a long way. Today, we live in a time of options, and the options are too many. Which lawn mower is right for your needs? Not sure? For queries, write to turfgrasscare.com@gmail.com or visit turfgrasscare.com.